Hi there, Carl Massy here, coach, strategist and author of a few books. And I just want to share with you the 30-day challenge. And for me, the 30-day challenge is my favorite program, my favorite game changer. I've worked with so many different people over the last 10 plus years, have used the 30-day challenge to make massive shifts in their life and massive shifts that last. I mean, this is one of the things you might go to a seminar, 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 days, and you have a shift. But that starts to taper away if you don't integrate that. So one of the great things about the challenge is you're actually doing the challenge as you're going through a normal life. So you integrate it into your life, so it's likely to be something that's sustainable. And it's that compounding interest of, sustained success habits over time are going to lead to the highest level and expression of our success. So that's been a big part of the 30-day challenge, this foundation of daily rituals. So that is a key piece of it. And I did my own 30-day challenge about 2 decades ago, 1999. And I stumbled upon it when I was in a low spot of my life, and it was the thing that I needed to create this huge transition for me and steer me off in a completely different direction. I made massive change as a result of that. So as a result of doing that a couple of decades ago, I've created my own and sort of tweaked it and added a few extra things that I think would have improved that program even more. So that's what I've created for you. And one of the things about an extended program, not only this 30 days to build up these rituals, it's also a great time to turn the spotlight on and get really clear about what's triggering me, what's working for me, what's not working for me. What are my triggers? What are my good habits? What are my bad habits? We don't notice these things over a short period of time, but over an extended period of time, we get to see all of these pieces. The other, beautiful thing that I've set up in this program that again wasn't with the program I did a couple of decades ago was having the opportunity to do it with a group. Now you can do it self-paced, which is what I did. I strongly recommend you do it with a group. 1, because there's that accountability. 2, because you get to interact with some different people, so you get to share different ideas. 3, we have weekly coaching sessions, 90-minute coaching sessions, where we come together and we collectively work together. And these days with the cool technology, I use Zoom, we can do breakout rooms, so we can go into groups of 2 or 3 or 4, and people can go a little bit more intimate on their stuff, a little bit more personal. So again, I think it's a really powerful thing. Because when we come together in the group, there might be something that you learn from someone else that I don't necessarily know. So that's the benefit of bringing this group together and working as a group through the 30-day challenge. So that's something I highly recommend you check out as an option. Now going through the challenge, foundational piece, daily rituals over the 30 days. And then there's daily tips. And the daily tips are listening to a specific topic. And a lot of those topics are based on the material I've created in my book. So I've looked at what are the most beneficial, most impactful, most important, most fulfilling pieces of knowledge that have the greatest impact, biggest return on investment. And those are the things that are the daily tips. With each of the daily tips, there's daily activities. We don't want to just learn it, we want to integrate it. So that's what the activities are there for. So solid foundation, daily tips, daily activities, and if you're working together with the group coaching program to take it to a whole new level. So there you go, the 30-day challenge. If you've got any questions on that, don't hesitate to reach out and ask. And keep an eye down below. There's details of what the actual online platform looks like so you can understand that. And I'll also talk about when I'm doing the next group coaching program, so you can sort of look forward to that. So wherever you are on this beautiful, gorgeous planet of ours, I'm looking out over my balcony here in Bali. Gorgeous day. Have a fantastic day wherever you are and take care.